No, I applied DSR.
Now you have applied?
DSR.
DSR is
Down.
at what kilometer?
6. Or by default comes 6, no?
6 kilometers.
Then you can reduce like
Okay.
2.
Okay.
2, 3, whatever, no? So 2 is the lowest.
Okay.
And maximum is 18.
Okay.
Then no need to apply brake.
Mm-hmm.
Just leave it goes like 2.
Now, Pritham, you see why I felt
You were scared.
I was scared.
But it's okay, this is a very safe car.
Yeah, now you can, it's like a 10.
The DSR goes up to 18, you said, no?
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
This is 10.
Okay. Oh shit. Oh god. Now we're gonna climb uphill and that will be directly 47 degrees, right?
47.5.
Yeah. I think we're gonna lose sight of the road ahead now.
So
This
if you
is
leave
the
accelerator
inclination.
here, it will stay for 3 seconds, no?
Yeah, it's only for 3 seconds.
3 seconds. Which
No,
mode
we
is
have
this now?
No, we have to apply the brake then. No?
Okay.
Once you apply brake, then only it's activate that.
Okay.
Hill load
okay.
function.
Without, because if you have put it in off-road,
Yeah.
then this hill load function will automatically get activated, is it?
Yeah, yes.
Once you apply brake and you leave, 3
Yes,
seconds it will be there only.
And no need to come fast and climb it. You can start from 0 now.
हाँ, आराम से we can start.
Now the people will do like come fast and drive. No?
Yeah,
It shows that engine power.
yeah. How many cc this engine is?
This is 400. So
4 liters, okay. Oh my god. You just left this thing. Okay. Going back.
Normally the car will be goes back, no?
Okay. This is automatically going right now is because you've put like a...
Automatically not. We are giving.
Oh yes,
acceleration.
okay, it's because of the inclination, that's all.
Okay, now we're I think gonna go on a bank, right? Yeah.
35 degree.
Yeah.
35 degree bank.
I think we once touched the ground.
Yeah, we almost touched the ground. Whoa.
So this
It's
is
slippery, no?
Rain.
Because of the rain.
that's the ground. Is
Okay, so
touching the
both
ground.
the tires are in...
Track.
both the tracks are on the bank only.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
See, this is a place.
Okay.
This is the front camera.
Uh,
This is the rear camera.
okay. So can you please keep the front camera on?
So that will switch off.
Yeah.
चलो अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा point करो. When it turns, then it goes like really close to the ground. Oh, that's the ground.
It's very close to the ground. Right now you have not put it in any other mode, no, except for this off-road. And this is at the highest levitation.
Yeah.
How much, what is the clearance
It's
at the highest level?
217.
2 meters.
No, it's mm.
217 mm. 21 centimeters.
237.
21 centimeters.
237 mm.
237 mm. Okay.
That's the ground.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. यार एक सेकंड ये तो please this is like
See the position over here also.
दो मुझे
Okay. It's completely like this. Wow.
No,
This
the
is
edge of the
fantastic.
edge of the track.
Okay. Does this have like the topple control? Like how it's there in
It won't be guys for
Beetle?
topple.
Beetle is there, no? Like it will never land on its back. It will always topple.
So this degree, 50 degree will not be topple.
Okay.
If you are going more than 50, then maybe.
Maybe topple.
Every cars have the limitation. No?
So like this, you can park in the night also and go, no? Like this.
So but very difficult to get out.
How will you get out?
Yeah, that is true.
You will have to lie down.
Yeah.
You can stay like.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to get out from the car.
Bring your Coke and Pepsi with you.
We'll start watching a movie.
Questions.
You are from Pune only?
No, Bangalore.
Different
Delhi.
places.
Delhi. They are from Delhi. I'm from Bangalore. One is in the air. This one is in the air, no? Right? Oh, okay. You put it to comfort. Comfort is for like when
Yes,
you're not
normal.
speeding. And when
No, comfort,
city drive.
comfort will be, yeah. And even the highway also you can put comfort.
Okay.
Comfort, that means will not be like the drive will be, suspension mode will be changed.
Okay.
But totally soft.
Okay.
If you're putting on a sport mode,
Mhm.
then everything will be hard.
Okay.
The suspension mode will be changed to hard.
Okay. So can we just try and see the levitation?
Here?
Yeah, this one. So right now it's going up, no?
So are there many other cars that can do this?
It went up.
Or there are very
So-
few select cars that can do this? SUVs.
Which one?
Are there many other SUVs that can do such
See
climbs and
these
all?
stunts.
Yeah. Like we have GLS,
Hmm?
GLE, GLC.
GLA is not recommended for.
GLA is not this height.
Mhm.
GLC will be doing the same.
GLC can do all this.
But the normal SUVs on market can't do that, right?
That also can do. Like BM is there, Audi is there. They can also do it.
But cars like Fortuner
no,
or
limitation it will be changing.
Okay.
It's like a 47, they might be like 40.
Hmm.
Okay.
But every company has their own some.
But the
engineering.
lower end SUVs can't. Like the
Not like you can't compare with Scorpio and the
Or
Safari.
those guys
no,
can't.
no.
But they can, but of course their degree will
Again,
be
depends
changed.
upon engine capacity
Yeah,
also.
engine capacity plus four-wheel drive
Yeah.
plus the axle ratio.
Mhm. GLC is a four-wheel drive, no?
Yeah.
And it's also four-wheel.
GLA also we have the formatic.
GLA also four.
Newly launched, no GLA.
Hmm.
They're also in formatic.
Is it like a four-wheel drive? GLA also.
Yeah. Formatic means four-wheel drive.
Formatting. Hmm. How much is the engine?
It's a 2.2.
And the C? GLC?
GLC also 2.2. No, 300 also there.
Okay.
300.
3000. Not much difference between GLA and GLC then. Like engine is same, body is little bit.
No, GLA is 2 and 2.2.
Hmm.
GLC is 2.2 and
3. Okay. This is minimum is 4.
Minimum is 3.
This one. Okay.
And minimum is 2.5.
For E.
Yeah, GLE.
2.5,
2.5, 3.5 and 4.
Okay.